Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. In this video we'll be talking about how to place trade for spot on MEXC exchange. And for you to do that is very simple. All you need to do, you need to know the coin you want to buy. Maybe you're given a coin by a friend, or maybe you saw the coin online and you want to get into it. So I'm going to teach you that in this video. Before we continue, if you have not subscribed to this channel or you're watching this video right now, subscribe now and don't forget to smash the like button and put on the notification. And also, let's get started. So first of all, you're at the home page. You can go to the trade menu or go back to the home page, click on the search button and type in the coin you want to buy. This time around, let's use Tomo. So since we are going to spot Tomo. So if are you buying or sell, choose either the one. So let's get started. So since we are buying, if you are selling, means you want to get out of the coin. Maybe you already have the coin. You don't want to be in the trade anymore. So you can sell for USDT, sell for Bitcoin, sell for Ethereum. So, but we are just buying. So since we are buying, we have options to buy. We click on the market, we have limits, we have market, we have stop limit. So let's assume I want to buy at the current market price. I will just change it to market, and you can see the current market price is 1.28. So as you plug 100%, drag it 100%, buy. Automatically you see that I now have, if you check the sell, you can see that available 10 points, available 10.4 Tomo. So that's for that. So let's turn back, and I want to sell it instantly, 100% sell. So now if I want to use limit means that I want to pen the trade. Let's assume that the price is currently at 1.28 as we can see here, and I want to pen the trade maybe at 1.20. I've just put 1.20, maybe the whole balance of my USDT or just small portion, or I can just type it here, maybe just 10. I want to use maybe just 5, so just type it there, but I'm using 100% buy. So successfully price is pending at, can you see now there's a pending order here at 1.2. Can you see price at 1.2? So if price will reach there, it's going to activate and buy for me, even if I'm not in the market. So let me cancel that. And the last one is to use stop limit. Stop limit works like a limit also. So let's assume I have to pen that to 1.0. So just try it 1.0. Repeat the same price 1.0, and then maybe I'm using the whole balance 100%. This part, put it, or just type the amount of USDT you want to use. Then since I'm using 100%, then buy. So you're going to see pending order at 1. Can you see price is what? 1. So that's just that. So whenever price reaches 1, it's going to activate my order and buy the coin for me. So it's very simple. So that's just how to buy our entire particular coin on the MEXC exchange. So MEXC actually, I guess MEXC and maybe Get also exchange as one of the highest leverage. You can use up to 200 leverage on the exchange. So you can try them out. Don't forget, don't over leverage yourself. You don't know how to manage leverage. I do use 200 leverage on to trade, so because I know I can manage it. So don't forget also to join our Telegram group for signals, for chart analysis, for chart reading, for low cap gems. Also join us, and don't forget to also share us with your friends. And don't forget also to subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you all.